Concorde Shoulder Immobilizer application instructions. Applying the Sling, Abduction bar, and external rotation bar. The Concorde comes packaged with 4 parts: the sling and shoulder strap, the waist belt with attached external rotation bar and support arm, the hand positioning ball, and the abduction bar. Assembling the abduction bar. To add the abduction bar, start by removing the external rotation bar and the support bar from the waist belt. Open the tabs and remove the 4 screws. Tuck the tabs under the waist bar. On the abduction bar, pull back the fabric to expose the back side of the unthreaded screw holes. Determine the correct orientation and height for the patient, and screw the abduction bar onto the waist belt. Now pull the fabric around the waist belt and reattach to the end of the abduction bar. Make sure to reserve 2 of the longer screws to attach the support bar. To attach the external rotation bar to the top of the abduction bar, determine the correct position for the length of the patient's arm and attach the 2 inside screws. Then place the support bar on top and insert the 2 reserved longer screws. Applying the waist belt, abduction bar, and external rotation bar. Place the waist belt on the patient with the buckle over the abdomen. Mold the bar to fit the shape of the patient's waist and wrap the strap around the back to connect the buckle. The strap can be trimmed if needed. Applying the sling. Place the patient's arm into the sling pouch, then place the patient's arm onto the Velcro strip on top of the bar, and attach the 2 straps around the forearm to secure the top. Now wrap the strap around the patient's chest and attach the buckle on the distal end of the sling. Adjust the length of the shoulder strap and position of the pad as necessary for comfort and proper fit. If necessary, adjust the length of the sling by rolling the distal end back and then securing it with the Velcro tabs. Now adjust the position of the external rotation bar to the desired angle. Bend the support arm back, then bend the end of the support bar forward and attach the external rotation bar onto the Velcro strip.